Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how I make these Halloween themed cake pops. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and follow me on all my social medias linked in the description. And without further ado, let's get on with the recipe. So firstly, in a large bowl, you want to take some cake scraps. You can bake a fresh cake if you want. This is just a cake extra from a smaller cake I had made, and I had a lot of extra batter, so I just made it into this 8-inch because I knew I was going to need it for some cake pops in the future, and I just set it in the freezer until I needed it and then took it out to thaw. So I just used the hand mixer, which wasn't a necessary step, but I just wanted to try it out and see how it worked. And then I used my hands to crumble it up finally, and then I added some frosting. And like I said in my last cake up video, you can use some leftover icing if you have some, or you can just buy some like I did, because I didn't want to make fresh icing just for some cake pops. So yeah, that's what I used. And you just want to use enough till your cake pieces form a nice dough, basically where no pieces are crumbling off. Once your dough is formed, you want to go ahead and melt down your chocolate. And I am going to be using the Cakesicle mold again today. And this is a different method than the first method that I tried. And I like this method a lot better because it's a lot similar to what I'm used to doing with like regular cake pops. Which I'm pretty good at making. So this was a lot easier for me. So just take your cake popsicle mold and then put it into your molds. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So now you just want to add in your sticks and make sure you dip these in chocolate, because at first I didn't do that. And when I took them out to go and dip them, I had, dip my little chest to make sure they wouldn't fall off the stick, and they definitely did very quickly. So I had to go back and add chocolate to them and refreeze them. So just go ahead and add your chocolate, and I recommend put them in the freezer for like 20 minutes. And now you just want to go ahead and dip your Cakesicles into your chocolate. And just to loosen up my chocolate a little bit, I did add a little bit of vegetable oil to each of them. But you can do whatever method that works better for you, but that's just what I did for mine. And just set them to cool, or not cool, but let the chocolate harden completely so we can work on the different designs. So firstly, for the designs I first did kind of like a jack-o'-lantern face type of design, and you can do this multiple different ways. You can use sprinkles, you can use fondant, which probably would be the easiest option, but I really did not feel like rolling out fondant, so I opted for hand drawing it with some melted chocolate, which was risky because I am a terrible drawer, unfortunately. So yeah, but luckily it turned out pretty decent. I wasn't mad at the outcome, so yeah, it worked in my favor, luckily. My next design was a mummy. I just added some drizzled white chocolate on top of the dipped white chocolate, and then I added some sprinkle eye candies. So yeah, this one was very simple and easy to do, but very cute. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch me decorate the rest of them because I feel like it's very self-explanatory. I kind of feel weird here telling you guys every little step. You can clearly see what I'm doing. It doesn't really need much explaining. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And that is basically it for the video. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film me decorating every single one. I mean, like I said, they're pretty simplistic designs, so you can kind of tell what they are by looking at them. But still, in case you guys wanted to see, I wasn't able to do that because I was also filming TikToks as well, trying to get, you know, some footage for all of my social media. So sorry, I do have some more, you know, clips of me decorating the other ones I didn't show you guys on YouTube, so you guys can also check out my TikTok and also support me over there as well if you guys do want to see the other designs I did. But yeah, that just wraps up the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye guys.